Problem number 6. Which function has a removable discontinuity at x equals 2? So we start off by graphing the ones we can. So piecewise, we graph it and we look at the table. We look at x equals 2. If at x equals 2 it says undefined, then it would be right. But when we look at the table, it doesn't say undefined. It has another value. So that one's wrong. For all the other three, we can factor them out. X minus 2 can't be factored out anymore. X squared minus 9 can be factored out to x minus 3 and x plus 3. And from there, x minus 2 is can't cancel out with anything on it, on g. So g is wrong. And h. For h, x squared plus 2x factors out to x times x plus 2. X squared minus 4 factors out to x plus 2 and x minus 2. So we have a match, so we can cross them out. X plus 2. That one we set it equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0 would be equal to x equals negative 2. That's not the one we were looking for. It asked for x equals 2. So we move on. X squared plus 2x minus 8, we factor it out to x plus 4 and x minus 2. Then the bottom, x squared minus 2x factors out to x times x minus 2. We could cancel out the x minus 2 and set it equal to 0. So x minus 2 would be equal to x equals 2. And that's the one we were looking for. So J would be our answer for problem number 6. They could have asked us for x equals 2. Again, discontinuity at that. So we go through the answer choices. For this one, we would graph it and using piecewise and look at our table. At negative 2, it doesn't say undefined, so that's wrong. G, we factor it out. Again, none of the answer choices cross out, so that one's wrong. J, we factor it out and we found out that it was equal to x equals 2. And H, again, we factored it out and it equals x equals negative 2. So H would be the answer for if it asks for x equals 2.